Hi everyone, today's video about Revelation eyeshadow palette review. It has a 15 colors and the quantity is 1.1 gram in each box. Total is 15 gram and it's enough for 6 months. So this palette is a best for beginners who are new in makeup line. I will explain you how. This palette name is Velvet Rose. The colors are divided in three types. First is we can say shimmery, second are nude colors in it, and third light colors are also in this. Light colors are good for old age people to create a day makeup look, and also good for those people who has a really hooded and small eyes. And this is a red hot color. This is my favorite nude color. So you can create a day makeup look with nude colors, and it has a shimmery color, so you can create a party makeup look. And with black especially you can create a smoky eye look, and this will be best for if you are going for a night party. Try every look with this palette. One day you will be a perfect. Make a video every day of your makeup, and after 15 days you will see the result after practice. Makeup needs a practice mainly, and this is a pocket friendly palette. I bought it just for $15. So I am going under natural light and I applied on my arm just a single stroke of every color, and I wrote the numbers. And the first color is really light, so it's I think useless, but you can use it for to highlight your eyebrow. And the second is gold, the darkest gold, this one. And the third is nude color, this one. And fourth is again light color. Mm, Fifth is again gold, light gold, you can say medium. Hence you can see all colors I apply just with one stroke. 10 colors are on my this arm and the 5 others are on my second arm. So these are last 5 colors. The first one is not dark one, this is I think shimmery color, yeah. And the red hot one is looking like that. I will also make a video how to buy eyeshadow palette, how to check their pigmentation. So what you buy that will look same color and on your eyes, I will make video on that for sure, so it will be easy for you. Look, just in one stroke the color is coming out. So this is a budget friendly palette. I hope you like this video. Please like if you like this review. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.